Okay, I put it in scientific notation, and we know the square root of 25 is a 5, so bring a 5 out, and the square root of 36 is a 6. So that leaves underneath the radical a 10 to the negative 10th times 10 to the negative 5. So that's 30 times the square root of 10 to the negative 15. So what I did on the answer key, you have to understand that that's the square roots. It's understood to be a 2. And I divided 2 into negative 15 and brought out a 10 to the negative 7. 2 will go into negative 15, negative 7 with 1 left over. So that leaves a 10 to the negative 1. So this is 30. Get rid of the negative exponent, bring it down 10 to the 7th. And same thing, make that 1/10. Now another way to work it, let me see, let's start from here. I've got 30 square root of 10 to the negative 15. I could make that 30 square root 1 over 10 to the positive 15. Remember, when you move a factor from the opposite place it's in, it changes the sign of the exponent. So this is 30. Of course, we know this is square root of 1 over square root. This could also be written as 1 over square root of 10 to the 15th, because the square root of 1 is 1. Doesn't matter. All right, so same thing. There's a 2. 2 will go to 15. Now it's in the denominator. So you're going to bring out a 10 to the 7th. But you've got one of those left over. So you've got that 1 there. So you've got a 1 over the square root of the 1 that's left over. 2 will go into 15 7 times with 1 left over. So 30 over 10 to the 7th. You want square root of 1 over, if I want to put the 1 back inside the radical. I think I like this way better. But either way, you get the same answer. I hope this helps a little bit.